guys, I'm Katie. I'm an employee here at FabFitFun, and today I'm going to show you FabFitFun's 5 favorite items to get your resort ready from the Winter Edit Sale. In case you don't already know, the Winter Edit Sale is an exclusive sale for FabFitFun members. During the sale, you can get items up to 70% off. Guys, for real, you can get 70% off during this sale. That's a really big deal. The sale is only open for FabFitFun members, so make sure you sign up right here. Did you do it yet? Click there. Select members can shop the Winter Edit from December 26th to January 1st. All members can access the sale from January 3rd to January 12th. So make sure you get in there and add all your favorite items to your cart. If you see it, snag it, add it to your cart. All of the products I'm gonna talk about today are linked below, so check out the video description for all the information that you need. And make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to FabFitFun's YouTube channel. Okay, let's start looking at these products. The first item I'm gonna talk about is the DIFF Eyewear Nala sunglasses. So these are so cute. They're these huge, oversized aviators. So there's a gold pair, and then there's a black pair. So like whatever your mood is. Like I feel like I would want to get onto a motorcycle and put these on. It's not something I've done before, but I think with these, I would probably be cool enough to do it. Can someone get me a fan? Like can we blow some wind in my hair? No? We don't have that capability? Okay. And then the black is like leather jacket, hanging out. You're the coolest person in the room. They're super big, but I think that's perfect because they're gonna look good on everybody. I'm going on a cruise in January, so I feel like these will be really fun. This is the Maptote 14 million word long cheers bag. So I'm like looking at this and I'm like drunk already because it's Maptote Canvas Cheers. This is the Maptote Canvas Cheers Wine Tote. I like this bag because I enjoy champagne and I enjoy wine. I feel like I shouldn't be talking about this bag without drinking some wine. Do we have bottles of wine? No? No fan, no wine. You're telling me it's too early for wine? Okay. Well, this is super cute if you're going to a holiday party or just over to your friend's house and you don't want to just have to carry the bottle of wine. You put it in here. And then the bag has a bunch of different languages on it. Maybe one language. A language I don't speak. So you can impress your friends by reading all these words and then they'll think you're really sophisticated and cool because not only did you bring them wine in this really cute tote, now you're teaching them a new language. It's a win, 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 win. Also, this is great because it's so much more sustainable to bring a bag like this with you to a party. You always get those gross brown bags when you buy a bottle of wine. You can tell that cashier, I don't need your paper bag anymore because they've got my Maptote. Next up, we have the Vismaya collection scarf. Immediately when I put it on, I feel like so fancy. I feel like I'm gonna go to like a museum. I'm gonna walk around and then I'm gonna go and have like a croissant. I'm in Paris. It has little flowers and like a bird. There's little tassels on it. You could tie this on your bag so that you can take it with you everywhere. Oh, and then if you go for a drive and then you have to like cover your hair. Oh look, my hair is protected. Picture it. I've got my sunglasses on, my hair blowing in the wind. We don't have a fan, so you can't see that. My doctor boyfriend is driving and he's talking to me about all the terms he knows. The possibilities are endless. Next we have the MyTagalongs Pink Velour Mini Backpack, which is my favorite backpack I've ever seen. I have like everything possible I can in velour. It's perfect if you go to any kind of like amusement park or if you're just going on like a little adventure. I feel like this will hold everything you need. You can fit your water bottle, some snacks, your wallet, your DIFF sunglasses. You could tie your little scarf around it. And then in here you can put your cell phone, like everything you need to like grab for. This backpack is perfect for Wednesdays because on Wednesdays we wear pink, you know, then you know. Shout out to Regina George, make Regina proud. And last, but definitely not least, we have the Show Me Your Mumu Brie robe. I love Show Me Your Mumu so much. This would look great really any time of day when you're at your house. I think that you should wear this the second you step into your house. Like you can have it hanging on a hook next to your door. So picture your door. When you get home, you're gonna take it off the hook and you're gonna put it on. Can I put it on more awkwardly? Great. Ta-da! See, even with like the red underneath, I think it works. You get your glass of wine, you sit on your couch, you turn on your favorite Disney movie, and then you look down and you're reminded that you're in the cutest robe you've ever seen.
Oh, yeah.
Honestly, I'm not gonna take this off. I'm gonna wear it right home with me so I can take it on my cruise and all this other stuff on my vacation. So those are FabFitFun's 5 resort-ready faves. Make sure you go to fabfitfun.com/edit to shop all of these amazing items. Take them on your vacation. Comment down below. Tell me what you're taking home. I'm gonna take this robe home. Bye, guys.
They go in front of
I need a cue card. So hopefully you guys got what you need.